Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I will show you how to deposit money in MEXC exchange. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel for more amazing videos. So let's start this video. So first we have to open MEXC. Now on the home page you can see there is an option which says deposit. So tap on that and we have three options. The first one is deposit crypto, second one is P2P trading, and the third one is buy crypto. And now I will show you the first option and how it works. Now let's suppose I have USDT in my Binance exchange and I want to deposit it to MEXC. So what I will do is to tap on deposit crypto in MEXC, then in the search bar search for USDT. Tap on USDT. Over here we have to select a correct network. Now over here I will select TRC20 because expected arrival time is 35 seconds. So after selecting that, we will get this deposit address. So we have to copy that deposit address. Now we have to open that exchange or wallet which have USDT TRC20 in it. So I will open Binance in this case and then tap on wallets and then tap on withdraw. Over here again tap on withdraw, and in the coin list you can see I have USDT. So I will tap on USDT and tap on send via crypto network. Now just paste the address over here. Now once you do that, you have to tap on network and this drop down menu will appear and we have to choose TRC20. So we have to select the same network, otherwise our crypto might get lost if we choose the wrong network. Now I have to write down the withdrawal amount. After that, tap on withdraw. So once you do that, you have to confirm your pair transaction, and after 1 or 2 minutes you will easily receive USDT in your MEXC application. Now I will show you how the second option works, which is P2P trading. So once you tap on P2P trading, you will see this type of interface. So first over here you have to choose the fiat currency. Now choose the currency which your country has. After choosing the currency, you will see many traders who offer USDT in exchange of your country's currency. So you have to select a person who has a good rating as well as the accuracy time. So once you select that, you have to tap on buy now. So currently I don't have that option, which is the buy, because I haven't completed my verification. If you have to tap on buy. Then you have to write down the amount of your current country's currency in which you want to buy USDT. Now the last option is buy crypto. So once you do that, you have to just choose the currency over here. So after choosing the currency, now you have to choose the crypto. So I have chosen USDT. If you want to buy Ethereum, you can also type that. You can also choose that, but I have selected USDT. It will show me that 2500 USD dollars will equal to 2437 USDT. Now you have to tap on payment methods, and in the payment methods, the first one is debit or credit card. The second one is third party, which shows that banks are Mercurio and MoonPay. You have to select any one. If you choose the credit or debit card, you have to write down the information about your debit or credit card, and this is how you deposit money in MEXC application. So I hope this video will help you. If so, please like this video and subscribe this channel for more amazing content.